Hey there! Have you ever yourself struggling to manage your finances effectively? Do you often wonder how you can make your money work for you instead of the other way around? Well, you in luck, because today we're diving into the of proper financial management, with a twist suspense added to keep you engaged throughout this video. Let's start breaking down the importance of budgeting and tracking your expenses. Creating a budget not only helps you keep track of where your money is going, but also allows you to plan for the future and avoid unnecessary financial stress. Next, we'll explore the concept of saving and investing. Setting aside a portion of your income for savings and investments can help you build wealth over time and secure your financial future. We'll discuss different saving and investment strategies that you can implement to make the most out of your money. Moving on, we'll delve into the world of debt management. From credit cards to loans, debt can easily spiral out of control if not managed properly. We'll share practical tips on how to pay off debt efficiently and avoid falling into the debt trap. Now, let's add a hint of suspense to our discussion by introducing the concept of financial goal setting. Setting clear and achievable financial goals can motivate you to stay on track with your finances and make informed decisions about your money. We'll reveal the secret ingredient to setting impactful financial goals that will keep you motivated and focused. As we near the end of our journey, we'll touch upon the importance of financial literacy and continuous learning. Financial markets are constantly evolving, and staying informed about the latest trends and developments can help you make better financial decisions. We'll unpack the benefits of financial education and share resources to help you enhance your financial knowledge. There you have it, folks. Proper financial management doesn't have to be a daunting task. By incorporating simple yet effective strategies into your daily routine, you can take control of your finances and work towards a brighter financial future. Remember, it's never too late to start making positive changes to your financial life. So, go ahead and take the first step towards financial freedom today.